Often when you're having internet issues, you'll find that these lights are not flashing. If the optical light is flashing, that means there's activity going on. Now there's one very unique pattern that you want to look out for. When your internet seems to be down, even though the optical is flashing, you want to be looking out for one where it's just flashing periodically. So it might just do like a 10 to 15 second flash, and then it'll just stop, and then it'll come back and flash again. Usually what that means is that it's updating. And if your ISP has been doing something like upgrading a service, then what they'll usually do is send the update through. And if they're lazy and they don't report it, and they don't say, oh, this is a scheduled maintenance, you'll be down for, X amount of time. If they don't say it, you're just going to go down for like 40 minutes or so, or whatever the update, however big the update. In this case, I was with an ISP and they had some VoIP issues, and this is all from the support that I went to talk to. And then the ISP said they had an update sent through, and then I waited, and then the update came, and now you can see that the UniD1 is flashing, which means there's activity. Let's come back online. A healthy modem looks like this, where there's flashing on the optical side and the cable that you've plugged inside.